1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix. Electric Boogaloo.
You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention.